thought it was a new bar by the time of them, but these alarms have these alarms has completely changed tone here. It sounds very like them at soft now, so it does. Before I stop the video, these alarms have sure been changing a lot. You know, whenever I was under the house over there, it looked like a new shiny bar around here. We'll see with like much shiny at the back, but no, you're still going. So it wasn't even that so before, but then now it's just gone so again. That's what's great. They should have been extremely different around here. So it's the February windy day, horrible. Anyway, see you in the next video.